Yo, what it do, guys? It's been a while, it's been a minute, but I'm here, you know what I mean? I ain't forget about y'all, you know what I mean? But for all my new subscribers, was popping, you know what I mean? Thank you for tuning in, And for the ones that been there since the beginning, yo, mad love. Yo, I appreciate y'all for real, man. Yeah, I just wanna know how y'all doing out there. For real, I just wanna know how y'all doing. You know, I hope y'all being safe out there, man. You know, taking precautions, you know what I mean? And do what y'all gotta do, man. I just wanna say God bless y'all, for real, man. Keep praying. All that. Let me get to it. So I'm gonna do a how-to video on how to, do a spare tire kit holder. You know what I mean? Some of y'all call it Continental kit, But I'm gonna show you how to install one, best of my knowledge, and here we go, man. Alright, so over here, we got spare tire kit holder. You know what I mean? Continental kit. We're gonna start off with. Alright, so as y'all can see, you got this right here. You see the bigger circles? They're gonna go with your rim. They're gonna go to the rim. There's two other holes right here. They're gonna go directly to your banana seats. I'll show you right now. So I'm gonna grab one. So I'm gonna do one side first, and then I'm gonna get to the other. So I normally like to put everything in, tucked in. See how I got it now? So I put, you see the bigger hole that's gonna go in your rim, That's how I got it. I connect them both of them together. See? I'll put it on together before I install it to the bike. I think you could do it either way though, you know what I mean? Like, for me, I don't know, I really don't care though, but you could do it either way. This could go up to the handlebars, or this could go to the, this could go up to the banana seat, where the sissy bar goes at, connected, or this side. It don't really matter though, you know what I mean? Well, for me, it don't. You know what I mean? It's still gonna look fresh, no matter what. See how I got them? See that? We'll get to it. So I'm gonna install the spare kit holder to this bike for right now. So this is where we at. You know, it's gonna go from here. It's gonna come up, boom, and then the other part is gonna go in here. All right, y'all see that? Same thing for the other side. As I can do it with one hand. That's gonna go in there. I'll show you right now. Alright, so this is where it's gonna go at. This piece is gonna go right here. But I got a problem. You see that? It's not letting me. Even if I go on top of it, it's not letting me. So, alright, you know, there's always something, you know what I mean? Always something, but we got this. You're gonna work around it. Ain't nothing but a G thing, you feel me? So what I'm gonna do is take this out. I'm gonna put it on the second hole. I'm gonna put it on this hole. So, yeah, so the 60 bar, I'm gonna try to put it on this hole right here. And let's see if everything comes together. If everything comes together comfortably, you know what I mean? Alright, so I got it. If y'all see it, I already moved the 60 bar into the other hole. You know, for hopefully it won't distract, you know, the kit. So let's get to it. Let's see. So that one. I got two. So now I gotta put in the bolts back on. You know, the nuts. You see how it's about to go. See it? Move that, because when it was right here, it was in the way. So now I got it down right there. Same thing on the other side. Now, these are gonna go under the seat. If y'all can see, under the seats. All I do is tighten those joints up. So it's gonna go from the seat. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down right into the rim. Right into this. Boom. Here. Tighten that up. Come up here to the seat. So now that I got the spare kit holder on, I'm gonna come over here. Oh. Come over here. I grab my spare tire kit. Chillin', look at that. Chillin'. That's how I got it set up, you know, to the best of my knowledge. You know, whatever I know, I'm gonna give y'all. You know, so holla at me, let me know what's up. Different ways you can put it. Boom. Boom. You know. Alright, so remember my last video where I have some bike pedals. So somebody told me, yo, weld them, you feel me? Whatever, and I'm like, yo, that's a good idea. Boom. So I took it to one of my mans, you know, that welds, whatever, you know what I mean? So I took it to him. I'm like, yo, so I got this pedals. I need them fixed because I ain't trying to buy another set, you know what I mean? I'm trying to just get this done over with. So he was like, I got you, let me see them, boom, bomb. He was like, yo, you can screw them on. And I'm like, what? So I'm gonna screw them on. He like, yeah. We used, so we worked together and we used a tap die. You know, we used a tap die. We made our own little swirls, you know, we put in some screws in them. Bada bing, bada boom, man. Saved myself like 40, 45 bucks to 60 bucks. I saved myself. You know, so, hold up, I'm gonna show you right now. Y'all see them? Y'all can see the screws. You know. The other ones too. See the screws on this side? Over here. I don't know what y'all think. So I saved myself some money there. So I came across those right here. Some deuces. What y'all know about those? Holla at me, let me know. Some deuces, some spinners. You know. Hype. Look at them Jones. What y'all think? Let me know, man. They're hard to find, man. Real hard to find, but you know what I mean? I got them. You know, I just got this joint right here. 26-inch, all chrome, 3-speed, Lowrider bike. You know I got this one right here and working for one of my mans. You know, it's 26-inch swing. I thought I ordered the right piece, but this shit long. This shit crazy long. I gotta order another piece, man. I gotta order a smaller one, cause this shit is long, bro. For real. I don't know, man, but that's what I got going on right there. I don't know, maybe I could cut it. I don't know yet though, but I gotta see it, man. I gotta ask a friend that. You know. Yeah, I gotta ask a friend about that. I gotta cut this. I'll see if I cut it. But yeah, I'm working on it. I'm trying to hook it up. Already got the Porsche right there for him. So I just want to say, you know, thank y'all for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate that to the 100, to the fullest, to the heart. You know what I mean? But I just want to say, you know, God bless y'all. You know, have a good day. Have a good night. And, you know, be safe. Be safe out there. And, you know, just keep riding, man. We're going to keep doing this, man. I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to keep doing this. This is what I love. You know, and all. So, be safe. God bless y'all. To the next video, man. Thank y'all. For real, for real. For the love, for the patience. All that. You know what I mean? Be safe out there. God bless. Take care. Boom.